And you're now viewing the greatest of all time. No need for thank yous, the pleasure is all mine. That's my confidence. Yeah, that's right. No downplaying my accomplishments. You tell me arrogant, I take it.
Out with the old, in with the new. Happy Gear Day. What's good, Greatness Gang? Welcome back to another video. I got braces in my teeth. I shot a video for that. Go find it on my Level Up King channel. So, excuse the way I'm talking right now because I'm getting used to it. But this is not what this is about. This is an unboxing video. I got something special from Softube. And as you read in the title of the video, I got their brand new console compact. Check that out. There we go. Console compact. I ordered it from Sweetwater. Shout out to Sweetwater. Shout out to the salesman that helped me. I've been checking out the console one for a while. There she is again, the star of the show, the Sage. I've been checking out the console one for a while, and I just couldn't really get with the price point just yet. But I was slowly leaning towards getting it, but then I just randomly was on YouTube and boom, on my algorithm, console one compact has been released, and I'm like, whoa, let me see what this is all about. So it's basically the console one is just in a smaller form. Also, shout out to Sweetwater, always providing the candy. So this was $400 cheaper than the console one. So I was like, I can get with that. The reason why I wanted to get this is because I really want to get away from the mouse, that thing, yuck. I'm tired of using it when I'm mixing. So as you can see, I have the SSL UC1, very good product, but I felt limited using it. I know, yes, there's a way now that you can use third-party plugins with it, but with the layout of it, it don't really match the plugins. It's like, it's an SSL channel layout. So I don't really want to use third-party plugins with that. You can do the same with the console one compact. And as I'm glancing at the website, I see you can use Softube plugins, of course, Fab Filter, Universal Audio, Plugin Alliance, and Brainworks. The console one compact comes with software. It's called Core Mixing Suite, which features the Softube preamp section, the shape transient shaper, 2 equalizers, passes vintage and precise modern, 3 compressors based on FET, bus, and opto, a drive section, 2-meter USB-C to USB-C cables, 4 M4 screws for a VESA mounting in case you want to put it up against something. So let me pull it out of the box, and I should get a desk angle as well. Smaller than what I expected. Very compact. Yeah, this if you're thinking about the console one, if you were thinking about the console one, and you don't have a lot of desk real estate, this will probably be a very good thing for you. I have a good amount of desk space. I basically have 2 small desks built into one, an L-shaped desk. Got some stuff up there too. But I could have fit the console one up on my desk and just maybe interchange when I'm not using the SSL, if I don't plan on using both at the same time, because I have the UF8 as well. But here it is. And this was the main standout in a lot of the other reviews I watched, were the analog filling potentiometers. Everyone said that they really had a nice feel and resistance to them, and they definitely do. They feel better than the SSL knobs to me, and I really like the tip with the kind of got like some ridges and grooves in them. I believe the SSL UF8 knobs, the pan knobs, feel better than the UC1 knobs. I feel like they got more resistance, but this definitely has the resistance for a fine-tuned feel. And this right here, listen up. The buttons click. That's very big, that's huge. So you got the size for the best mounts, and I see that they got some wooden mounts out. I'll probably eventually invest into those. So, but basically the difference is some of these slots have 2 jobs instead of just being one long machine like the console one. They shortened it, they compacted it. So as you can see, everything in yellow, you basically operate with shift. So the filter section, it not only have, this is not only just EQs, but when you shift over, things turn into filters. You shift over on this side, compressors, your drive, stuff like that. And I'm gonna have to get this from a different angle to see if this has a light show when you power it on. All right, let's see if this thing gives us a light show like how a lot of these controllers do. Oh, I forgot, I already have a stand that I use for my MPC-1, because I also make beats. But let's power this thing on. Oh, was that it? Well, it says connect to the computer and open the console 1 app. So I guess I'll get a little bit more once I install all the software and download everything. But yeah, because I'm gonna do a video of me actually using this, but not right now. This was an unboxing. So if you want to get a size comparison of it next to the SSL UC1, if you're thinking about trading in your UC1, or you're thinking about which one to get, this is the size. But yeah, so you just here and just doing your work. Got a little screen right here. I know the console 1 has 2 screens, but right here you just need 1 screen. You usually got 1 screen, but not too worried about the screen, because the main goal is to be locked in on what you're doing or whatever. And I know that in other reviews I've looked up, they said the knobs are touch sensitive, so whatever you touch, the screen reacts to that. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to check this out and see what I can do with it. So subscribe to the channel. Let me know what else you need me to check out. Let me know your thoughts on it. Appreciate you all.